Hi, my name is Zachary Robichaud. I am a first-year student at Oulton College taking their Bachelor's of Science in Nursing. When I graduated high school, I decided to take the trades. I tried that route, did that for 1 year, and I decided that I wanted to make a different impact to this world, and so that's why I decided to try nursing. So initially, I enrolled in an online nursing program. After a few weeks, I noticed it wasn't for me, so I switched to the Oulton's nursing program. So when I started the online course that I did, it was pretty alone. I felt alone doing it. By the second and third weeks, I just kind of realized there's no teachers to talk to. It was difficult. That's why I really thought I should make that switch to in-person learning, where it's more in-depth and I feel more taken care of. So in the first week of Oulton's nursing program, I noticed there's a huge difference in socializing here. The teachers are really good. They're one-on-one. You know, they're small class sizes, so you're not dealing with 80, 100 other people. It's really great, and I find it's very personal. The instructors don't hesitate here to take time to make sure that you understand those foundational concepts. They go very in depth, and they will make sure that you understand what's going on. In the previous course I was enrolled in our anatomy class, it felt like it was very self-taught, and I had to go back and relearn everything myself. When I was here and I started at Oulton's, our anatomy course was a lot more set up. We went right from the beginning to make sure that we are successful and there's no excuse to not do good. So right from day one, we're here in the lab twice a week. It's great. Everything that we do in the lab, we learn in class first. So we go over it with our teachers, and then we come in here and we evaluate on it, and we do our physical practices here. So when we get into the lab, the first thing we do is we separate into groups. Our instructors will immediately show us, what we're going to be doing, and they will demonstrate, and then we follow. And if there's anything we're doing wrong, they will give a easy critique. They're not too harsh on you. It goes great. It's a really good way of learning. So having these consistent labs, it really sets you up for when we start clinical. We actually start in long-term care, and then after that, we go to the hospital and go through all the different departments. So I personally recommend Oulton College because it is one-on-one, career-driven, it has small class sizes, and it feels like a family. I really love it.